Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my American Girl a laptop using recycled material. So to get started in the laptop for my American Girl, I am going to be using this makeup. It was like eyeshadow or whatever. I am taking an X-Acto knife and I'm going to carve around the tin of the eyeshadow and it should pop out easily. And you can keep the eyeshadow and use it for other things if you would like. I'm also going to keep the tins too. I'm not going to probably use it for any more of these projects, but I will use it later on while I am crafting. So I had no intention of making the outside kind of hazy, but when I used the acetone to remove the labels, it kind of made it kind of hazy. So I'm going to take some paperboard and I was basically just using that to imprint the inside because I'm going to cover the screen with paperboard and I'm going to cover up those little grids with paperboard as well. Now, since I had screwed up and made it hazy, I'm going to spray paint it with this fabric paint. It is a rose gold. So I spray painted it about 3 times on the cover and I think it turned out really good for fabric spray paint. And for the keyboard, my first attempt was using cardstock that's gray and I cut out little bitty squares and I used tacky glue. Then my ink came in today. Woohoo! It's only black ink though. But I went ahead and I took advantage of that and I printed out white keyboard with black lettering on gray cardstock, and then I took more gray cardstock and I made a space bar and a little mouse pad and I like touched up the mouse pad with a silver marker. But I think it turned out okay. I didn't actually use tacky glue to like put this on there, and I did use scrapbooking paper to make a screensaver kind of thing onto it. I ended up using like this adhesive mounting tape or whatever, but you could definitely use tacky glue. For my very first American Girl laptop, I think it turned out really cute. I used a lot of recycled items that I had no use for, and it pretty much costed me nothing because I used the computer ink, well, my printer ink, for my selling on Etsy. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye!